This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, May 9th. I'm Xavier Praylor. Rain had a real impact on the sports schedule on Friday, with several events moving to Saturday and Monday. On Saturday, baseball team scored its second win in a week over Green Run, 5-1. Sam Carpenter scored twice and Bobby Pickrell struck out 6 for the Commodores. The softball team wasn't so fortunate, falling to Kentsville 18-0. In tennis, the boys and girls both registered 9-0 wins over the Norview Pilots. Last night, the boys and girls soccer teams made up Friday's games with mixed results. The girls scored an impressive 4-0 win over Kentsville as Star White scored 2 goals. However, the boys came up on short end of a 4-3 game against the Chiefs. Dylan Bardoon scored 2 goals for the Commodores. Now here's Kiana Woodard in the control room with what's on the schedule for today.
Thanks, Xavier. Today, 4 Commodore teams will be in action. The softball team takes on Norview here at Bourne, and the baseball team will battle Salem at Salem. Game time is 4 o'clock for both games. In soccer, the boys and girls host Salem at Patterson Stadium. The girls play at 5:15 and boys play at 7 o'clock. On Wednesday, the boys and girls track teams will be competing in the Eastern District Championships at Norcom. Races start at 3 o'clock. Finally, the girls and boys tennis team will be playing Indian River at 5:30. The boys will play at Indian River while the girls will be at home. Back to you, Xavier.
Thanks, Quiana. Now here's what's happening at MHS. up to date for Tuesday, May 9th. I'm Xavier Praylor. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.